What's cooking good looking? Welcome back to Gainward 4.0. So, today I'm doing something quite nice. This is let's take that again. Take two. Welcome to Demolish and Build 3. Excavator Playground. So, this is available on Steam. There's a demo you can go check out right now, and I thought to myself, this would be an excellent little tech demo to test out the Thrustmaster T1600 flight stick duos. And I've basically set it up like it would be in a real excavator, okay? Because, I mean, who in their right mind hasn't wanted to play with an excavator, okay, since they were little kids? So let's go. All right. So, the way I have set it up now is as close to the real deal as possible. We have, you can see it on the monitor there as well. You know, when I move it to the left, I swing my excavator to the left, right. How to use the, you can see we can adjust the little head there, and I have this grip on the button like that. Super convenient. And this is 360, you know. The boom, back, forward, or like this, up like that. And again, we can drive, and of course we can drive forward. And the way I turn is by using the little joystick on top there. So it's coming together though, and it's kind of awesome. It's a lot of fun actually. So what we're gonna do is, let's stop. I'm gonna bring out the outside camera, because that's a lot cooler. And as I said though, this is just simply a tech demo for now, but I mean, just look at this. When I rotate that jaw, the jaw of death, and I can bring her down, bring her up. Of course, this is to extend it, basically, or like that. You see? Yeah. And of course, if we want to turn the excavator, and of course, yes, we can do. And you can't really unscrew excavator, okay? Oh, cool, let's go. Yum. And damn, man, I'll be damned, the graphics looks freaking awesome. Oh man, can you imagine though? This is some hydraulic jaws of death. Of course, we can turn, move forward, slowly. That's okay. That's so cool, man. And it's all, of course, it's all about, you know, freaking destruction. Okay? So, okay. I'm a little bit, yeah. Are we touching it there? Yeah. Opa! Isn't that freaking amazing? And I can just, Oh! I told you all, you beautiful bastards. Gainward can drive pretty much anything. And some things without steering wheel, okay? And sometimes, woohoo! Dude. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's try that for size. Next, I'm going to just crawl forward a little bit. There we go. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yum. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. This is so fun. Tear that shit apart, man. Ah, hell yeah. Oh, girl. Oh, girl, you sassy as fuck. Oh, girl. And apparently we do have some sort of... There's a camera here, which is on my jaw of death there. You can see that. See when I bite it, basically. Oh, we're a little bit zoomed in now, so oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, cool! Freaking wire was sort of hooked on there. You see that? Okay. Anyway. Let's go have a look at this thingamabob. Should be a little bit more interesting. And also, apparently, whoa, slow the fuck down. Apparently, there's something pretty awesome in the, what? Over there, look at that thing in the background there, everyone. That looks kinda awesome. It sounds freaking good. I mean, I don't know what the hell is gonna become of this, but for now, it's definitely a pretty damn awesome tech demo where you can play around, you know, you can just, oh god, my bad. Oh, missed it. Yeah. Hell yeah, baby. This is so... I mean, come on, man. For me, this is a dream scenario. For me, this is every kid's little dream, right? Fucking hell. Drop that like it's hot. I feel like a dinosaur, yeah? Satana. Okay. Might wanna... No. Whoa. Did I do that? Oh no. Oh, did I do that? My bad. Okay, so now what I want to do is, let's bring her down. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Oh, shit. I never managed to do... Oh, what the fuck? Reckless. How the hell? How the hell did I manage to do that? Wait. Let me think. No. How the fuck? I'm turning that then. I want to turn the... It's like an animal, out of control, isn't it? Damn it, I was doing so good, now I just have to end it there.